Hey, how's it going? My name is Joel. This is my assignment one for a networking class. So, this is the topology that I created. I've got two distribution switches. This is my headquarters distribution switch. This is my test and engineering distribution switch. Um, each one has a port channel connection going to three edge switches, and then each of them are connected through port channel. For my headquarters, I've got my database or my data center up here. I've got finance, HR, operations, VLANs going out to there. I've also got ports set for each and every one of the VLANs. Over here, we've got customer service and Wi-Fi. And then over on the test and engineering side, I've got the guest and staff Wi-Fi as well. Test, engineering, and then my engineering data center is over here. So basically what I did was I set up my topology. I created my VLANs. As you can see, I've got VLANs 1 through 100. 110 is the one that I was trying to use for my OSPF, and that didn't quite work. And then I've got my other port, this one going out to my ISP, which because I didn't get OSPF working, that didn't quite work. The distribution switches are connected with fiber optics, which I didn't realize at the time when I first did this that you had to go in here to drag a fiber optic port up, but I did manage to get that to go. Here's showing my ether channels. This is the one that I had to disconnect right here, which was originally just with regular cable, but I managed to figure out how to put in fiber optics, so that's the other one. So for this distribution switch, I set VLANs 1 through 60 for this to be the root bridge. And on the other side, I set 70 through 100, this one to be the root bridge for the STP. And then when I got to the whole OSPF thing, here, I'll pull up one of my things here. Show IP. Show int IP OSPF. Well, nevertheless, it's not going to show much of anything because I wasn't able to get it to work. I threw in command after command after command, and basically what wound up happening in the end was it got so muddled that other than going back and completely redoing all the port channels and then trying again, I wound up making a couple saves that I shouldn't have, and yes. I can, if I'm not mistaken, let's just try a ping out here. Ping 10.97.1.10. Yeah, see, at this point, I still, because I wasn't able to get the, oh, yeah, I can ping from one to the other, but I don't necessarily think that's going through OSPF. It would be nice if that was the case, but I'm really kind of lost, not 100% sure. So let's try this from this side. I was pretty unhappy with how the whole OSPF came about in the end. It didn't work out the way that I wanted to. I'm definitely going to have to figure out more how to. I know we're supposed to treat the distribution switches as layer 3 devices, but I just was not able to get it to work, and I think because of trying thing after thing after thing, it all got muddled up, and it is what it is. Onward and upwards. I will eventually learn this, and hopefully all will be well. So I know this probably isn't the greatest video because I wasn't able to show the ending parts, but nevertheless, I did get IVR working. I did get all my VLANs set up. I put the unused ports into black hole, so they're not going to be accessed. I put port fast and BPDU guard on the ports so that somebody's not going to just plug in a router or a switch, and then all of a sudden I get a loop that crushes everything on me. So yeah, all right, thank you, and have a nice day.